ThermoFLO Spraybooth Systems Rapid Repair Centre is a suite of cutting-edge equipment for body shops who have chosen the rapid repair route for their business. The Rapid Repair Centre includes 2 integrated full-down draft production booths, a spray booth bake oven, a rapid repair prep booth to provide a dust-free production line, time-saving side-loading conveyors and rails, integrated pneumatic shallow-angle loading ramps for luxury and lowered suspension vehicles, the RapidCure-IR infra-red curing system, saving 2/3 of curing time, the AADS auxiliary air drying system, space-saving design, which maximises use of workshop area, integrated cabinet for storage, masking consumables, compressed air and electrical outlets, a centralised dustless sanding system, ideal working light provided by LEDs, multi-filtered intake and exhaust air, and precise baking temperatures, direct-fired gas burners combined with infrared. Adaptable ThermoFLO Spraybooth Systems can custom build your booth to fit awkward spaces or environments where space is at a premium. If it has an engine and moves, ThermoFLO has built a spray booth for it, from aircraft to cars and trains. All ThermoFLO Spraybooth bake ovens are designed in Australia and New Zealand to meet and exceed AS/NZS 4114 compliance standards. They come fully loaded with elite electrical components, fans, motors, spray and bake cycle control safety devices, lighting fixtures, gas and diesel burners, intake and exhaust airflow controls, and noise reduction features, all hand-picked from Japanese, European and American suppliers. There are over 180 ThermoFLO spray booths, paint mixing rooms and preparation bays in service throughout Australia and New Zealand.